So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Gabby's Dollhouse Porific Pool Playset. This is with Gabby and Mercat, okay? And this also features color-changing mermaid tails, okay, for both Mercat as well as Gabby. So let me go ahead and show you guys the actual set itself and all the accessories that come with it. Guys, if you have kids that love Gabby's Dollhouse, they're going to absolutely love this playset. This is just a fun addition to their many Gabby's Dollhouse toys that are available. And this one is one of the newer ones that have come out. And guys, it features this adorable cat-shaped pool along with all the fun accessories. Okay, so perfect for this time of year, heading from spring, going into summer, and all the fun things, okay? With that said, let me show you guys all the accessories. So we've got Gabby Girl over here, Gabby, okay? And she also not only has her swimsuit on and all of that, but she also has a mermaid tail that she can actually wear and put on. And so I'll show that to you guys here in just a second. It also color changes, guys. This right here color changes. Same with Mercat, okay? So here is Mercat, and Mercat's mermaid tail also color changes as well. So I'll show that to you guys here in just a moment, okay? But I just wanted to show you guys all the accessories. So obviously we've got our pool, we've got our fun flotation devices that the actual figures can actually sit inside of, okay? We've also got a beach chair over here, an octopus. This little blue container that you guys see here is something that if you open it up and scan the code that's on the inside of it, you'll get access to a really fun Gabby's Dollhouse game. And so just make sure you open that up and scan it to your phone. Your kids will love it. My kids absolutely love it. We've also got our slide for our pool along with the platform for our pool as well. And then just to show you guys, excuse the screechy noises here, we have on the bottom part, we've got a little staircase, a little resting perch over here that features Mercat over here. This also has a ladder as well so that they can go up on the platform and slide down, and of course the railings and all the fun details. But guys, absolutely adorable little toy play set, and it has everything that you could possibly imagine, okay, for them to have all kinds of fun playing with their Gabby's Dollhouse accessories. So let me go ahead and show you guys how the color changing happens. So here is her color changing mermaid tail, and granted, I did not dunk her all the way in the water, okay? I used warm water to change her mermaid tail, and I did this on purpose the way that I actually dunked her in the water so that you guys could see portions of her original color on her mermaid tail, so you guys could see that it was purple and now it is partially blue. But when you submerge her in the water, you will have a full color change for her mermaid tail. And Mercat also does the same thing. I did not dunk her in the water, but just know that Mercat also does the same thing, okay? Another couple of things you should note, and like I told you guys earlier, really easy to take off the mermaid tail. She's also very mobile, which is really awesome for pretend play. So she can actually sit down, she can move her legs, she can move her arms, and she can also move her head. So I wanted to make sure that I shared that with you guys as well. All in all, you guys, this is such an incredible, adorable playset. Perfect addition to add to any of the other Gabby's Dollhouse accessories and playsets that are available. But this is such a fun one, especially for this time of year. So I hope that this video helps in making your decision.